So we are doing a pair of linear equation two variables. Almost all we have come to the end of this chapter. The last concept of this, in the previous class we discussed how to solve the pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations can be solved by three methods. One is graphically, in the first class itself I explained, and next substitution method. Substitution method means you change anything in the x variable or y variable. X variable or y, total expression should be the x or y. That is substitution method. And third method is elimination method. Elimination method means in the both the equations x coefficients and the both the equations either x coefficients or y coefficients should be the same. If the coefficients are not same, we used to make the coefficients equal. So making coefficients equal, we can solve the problems. That method is called elimination method. Elimination method in the last class I explained, substitution method and elimination method. Now equations reducible forms, reducible equations. Equations are reducible. Reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. This is the last concept of this pair of linear equations in two variables, and whatever the concept so far I explained, related problems you do exercise 4.1 to 4.2, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 exercises are there here. Okay, you complete the exercise problems. If a time is there, in the next class we will see. I try to explain each exercise. One sample problems are explained. Okay, after completion of this concept, last concept of this pair of linear equation two variables, in the next class onwards, exercise wise, I explain model problems, 1 and 2 problems. Like that, you can solve the exercise problems. Okay, so let us see how to reduce the equations. Reducible form. Reducible form means the pair of linear equations should be in the form of ax plus by plus c equal 0, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. It should be in that form. You have to, they are not in that form, you try to bring them in the standard form. Standard form is what? Ax plus by plus c equal 0. If you want substitute, if you want solve the pair of linear equations by substitution method or elimination method or graphically, the pair of linear equations should be in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. If they are not in that form, you have to reduce into standard form. So how to reduce it to standard form? Let us see the problems through examples. Through examples. Like this, solve 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal 30. 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. So this is pair of linear equation. Two equations given. But are they in the form of ax plus by plus c equal 0? No, they are not in that form. So we have to reduce them into standard form. So this is what 2 by x. 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x. 3 by y means 3 into 1 by y. 5 by x means 5 into 1 by x. 4 by y means 4 into 1 by y. Like that. 2 by x, 2 into 1 by x. 3 by y, 3 into 1 by y is equal 13. 5 by x, 5 into 1 by x minus 4 by y, 4 into 1 by y is equal minus 2. Like this, you have to reduce it. 2 by x, rearrange this. 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x plus 3 by y means 3 into 1 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x means 5 into 1 by x minus 4 by y means 4 into 1 by y is equal to minus 2. Now, let 1 by other than xy variables to take now. Okay, we should reduce in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So 1 by x, we can say let 1 by x be a. 1 by y be b. Let us assume that in place of 1 by x write a. Other than xy you take, pq also you can take, rs also you can take. Instead of 1 by x, write a. Let 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. Let 1 by x be a, 1 by y be b. In place of 1 by x, write a. In place of 1 by y, write b. Now it can be reduced in the form of ax plus by plus a equal to 0. Now 2 into 1 by x. 1 by x means what? A. 2a plus 3. 1 by y means what? B is equal to 13. First equation. Next 5. 1 by x means a minus 4. 1 by y means b is equal to minus 2. Second equation. Now solve this by substitution method or elimination method. You can do any method. You can do any method, either substitution method or elimination method. I do by elimination method. Elimination method means you make the coefficients equal. A coefficient how much here? 2. Here the A coefficient how much? 5 here. Not 2. Here not 5. Not same. They are different. A coefficient 2, A coefficient 5 here. Okay. You make them equal. Either A coefficient or B coefficient make equal. Make equal. So they are different. This A coefficient 2, here A coefficient 5. Not same. Okay, they are not same. You make them equal. Make them same. Now, first equation multiply by second equation A coefficient. First equation multiply by second equation A coefficient. Second equation A coefficient how much? 5. With 5 multiply. First equation like this. Yesterday class I showed like this. First equation multiplied by second equation A coefficient. Second equation A coefficient how much? 5. 5 2s are 28. 5 3s are 15 is equal to 5 13 then 65. First equation multiplied by second equation A coefficient. Second equation A coefficient 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 5 3s are 15. 5 13 is 65. Now second equation multiplied by first equation A coefficient. First equation A coefficient how much? 2 5 are 28, 2 4 are 8, b, 2 into minus 2, minus 2. Now they should have a different signs. Plus 10a plus 10a plus 20a, not getting cancelled. So what you have to do, you have to subtract, change the signs. If the signs are not same, you have to change the signs. Signs are not different, you should change the signs. Signs are same, you can't cancel. One should be plus, one should be minus. This is plus 10a, this is plus 10a, you can't get cancelled. So what you have to do, you have to change the signs. Changing signs means subtracting. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Now this is minus 10a plus 10a 0. Plus 15b plus 8b, how much? 23b is equal 65 plus 4, 69. b is equal 69 by 23. 23 3s are 69. b is equal to how much? B equal. Now substituting b is equal to 3 in this first or second. In first or second, anything. First equation is what? 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. 2a plus 3 into b value how much? 3 is equal to 13. 2a 3 is 9 is equal to 13. 2a is equal to 13 plus 9 shift right side. 2a is equal to 4. a is equal to 4 by 2. 2 1 here, 2 to the 4. a is equal to we want x and y values. X and y values. Now a is equal to what did you say? 1 by x. A is equal to what? 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to a. 1 by x is equal to a. So 1 by x is equal to a value how much? A value is equal to x. 2 by 1. Reverse it. 1 by x. You want x value. X is equal to what? 1 by 2. 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. 1 by x is equal to a value how much? 2. 2 means 2 by 1. Reverse it. 1 by x interchange, x by 1. This is also reverse it. 1 by 2, x is equal to half. Otherwise, do cross multiplication. 2x, like this also you can do it. Cross. 2 into x, 2x is equal to 1 by 1. X is equal to how much? 1 by 2, x value for. Similarly, 1 by y is equal to what? B. 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to b. So, 1 by y is equal to b value how much? 3 by 1. By cross. 3 into y, 3y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by 2. So, y is equal to 1 by 2. We got x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. The given pair of linear equations given two variables x and y, we got x and y. So, they don't give directly. The pair of linear equations will not be in the form of ax plus by plus equal to. If they are not in that form, you have to reduce them in that form. You have to reduce into that standard form. Like this, you have to reduce. This is the reducible forms. Okay, I hope you clearly understood. Now, I will give you one more problem to explain. So, let us see one more problem. Let's go for one more problem. I hope you clearly understood. Give some time for copy also this. I hope it is visible. Yes? Right. One more problem. Solve 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is not in the form of ax plus by plus equal to, you have reduced in that form. You have reduced in that form. So I tell you 5 by x minus 1 means 5 into 1 by x minus 1, like this you write down. So 1 by y minus 2. 1 into nothing means 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to. Next 6 by x minus 1, 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 means minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2, that equal to 1, like this. Now let 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 be P or A, anything, A. 1 by y minus 2 B. Now in this substitute, 1 by x minus 1 means A, 1 by y minus 2 means B is equal to 6, 1 by x minus 1 means A minus 3, 1 by y minus 2 means B is equal to 1. This is first equation, this is second equation. See, the coefficients are same or not? 5 and 6, not same. They are different. You should make them equal. So I told you already, the first equation multiplied by second equation A coefficient and second equation multiplied by first equation A coefficient. Interchange. First equation multiplied by second equation A coefficient 6. So 6 5s are 38. 6 into B, 6B, 6 2s are 12. Now second equation multiplied by first equation A coefficient. A coefficient how much? 5. 5 6 are 38 minus 5 3 is 15B. That equal to 5 and now solve it. Plus 30 plus 30. So come get cancelled. Plus 30 plus 30 plus 60. So to get cancelled, what you have to, the sign should be different. Change the signs. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Plus 38 minus 38 0. 38A minus 38 0. Plus 6B plus 15B, 21B is equal to 12 minus 5. 7. 12 minus 5, 7. B is equal to 7 by 21. 7 minus 7 3. B equal to how much? What? 1 by 3. Substituting this, substituting B is equal to 1 by 3 in first equation. What is the first equation here? This is the first equation. Either first or second. 5A plus B is equal to, substitute this. 5A, B value how much? What? In B plus write B value. B value how much? What? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to. Find out 5A is equal to 2 plus 1 by 3. Shift right side becomes minus 1 by 2. 5A is equal to LCM is 3. That's by 1. 1 and 3 times. 3 into 6. 3 into 1 time. 5A is equal to 6 minus 1 5. 5 by 2. So A is equal to 5 by 3. This 5 becomes 5 here. A equal to 1 by 2. Now replace the values. What is A? We want A. A is equal to 1 by x minus 1 is equal to what? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by x minus 1 is equal to what? 1 by x minus 1 is A. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to A value how much here? 1 by 2. Reverse it. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Just interchange the numerator and denominator. Otherwise, do cross multiplication. 1 by x minus 1 reverse x minus 1 by 1. 1 by 3 reverse 3 by 1. Like that. So x is equal to 3 minus 1 center x is equal to 4. Similarly, 1 by y minus 2. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b value. B value how much? 1 by 2. Reverse it. Reverse it. 1 by y minus 2 reverse. Y minus 2 by 1. 1 by 3 reverse. 3 by 1. So y is equal to minus 2 center right side. Y is equal to 5. So therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So this is the solution of a given pair of linear equations. So we can do one more problem also. I hope clearly understood. I will explain one more problem. Solve problem children. Solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. How to solve this? So, same reducible form. Let 2 by root x means 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 by root y means 3 into 1 by root y. 4 by root x means 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 by root y means 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. Let 1 by root x is equal to a, 1 by root y is equal to b. Replace it. Now 2 into 1 by root x, 1 by root x means a, plus 3 into 1 by root y means b is equal to. Next 4 by root x, 4a, 9 into 1 by root y, 9, 1 by root y means b is equal to minus 1. So this is first equation, this is second equation. You can solve by either either by substitution method or elimination method. Do by elimination method. Why elimination method means? Elimination method means making the coefficients equal. Here a coefficient 2, here y a coefficient 4. They are defined. To make the coefficients equal, then first equation multiplied by first equation 2a plus 3b is equal to multiplied by second equation a coefficient. Second equation a coefficient is how much? 4. With 4 multiplied. 4 to the 8a, 4 to the 12b, 4 to the 8. Next, second equation multiplied by first equation a coefficient. First equation a coefficient how much? Like this. First multiplied by 4 and second multiplied by like this arrow mark. So first equation multiplied by second equation a coefficient 4, 4 to the 8a, 4 plus 4 to the 12b is equal to 8. Now second equation multiplied by first equation a coefficient. First equation a coefficient is 2. Into 2 multiplied 2 into 4 8a. And 18b, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Now, get the cancel the coefficients. The 8a same. This is plus 8a, this is plus 8a. Plus 8a plus 8a is 16. I'm getting cancelled. Then you have to change the signs. Changing sign means subtracting. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Now plus 8a minus 8a 0. Plus 8a minus 8a 0. Plus 18b plus 12b plus 30b is equal to a plus 2. Yeah. So b is equal to 10 by 30. 0, 0 cancel. b is equal to how much? 1 by 3. b is equal to 1 by 3. Here itself you can find out what is b. b means what here? b means 1 by root y. b means b value how much got here? b is equal to 1 by 3. So the equation sign the variables x and y. What is b? b, what did you assume? 1 by root y. b means 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by interchange the numerator denominator. 1 by root y can write as root y. 1 by 3 can written as both sides reverse the fractions. Both sides reverse the fraction. 1 by root y can written as root y by 1. 1 by 3 can written as 3 by 1. If you do cross multiplication also you can do like that only. Okay, 1 by a is equal to 1 by 2. a is equal to so both sides reverse it. Both sides reverse it, you will get it. 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. Root y by 1. Both sides reverse it. Numerator and denominator interchange. Root y by 1 is equal to 3 by 1. Squaring on both sides. SOBS. So y is equal to 3 square. Y is equal to 9. So substituting b value. Substituting b in first equation what? 2a plus 3b is equal to 2a plus 3 into b value 1 by 3 is equal to 3 1 3. 2a plus 1 is equal to 2a is equal to minus 1. So 2a is equal to 1. a is equal to 1 by 2. a equal to 1 by 2. What is a? a means what? 1 by root x. 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. Reverse it. Root x is equal to 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2. Root x equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. So root x square is equal to 2 square. Root cancel. X is equal to 2 square means 2. So therefore x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. So you can find so many problems on these models in the textbook. Most probably these models in exercise 4.3. This is what? Exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. If you want to solve the problems for practice, so you complete exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. You can get so many problems on these models. Okay, thank you children. I hope you understood clearly. So for practice purpose, you can just go through the exercise 4.3. Such problems you get many problems you can find in the exercise 4.3. You solve them. And next class onwards, exercise wise sample problems I will explain. 4.1 some problems, 4.2 some problems I will explain. I explained all problems in 4.3. These all today whatever the video we did, exercise 4.3 related problems we did today. Now 4.1, 4.2 model problems in the next coming classes I will explain model problems. So thank you.